I'm going to walk you through your YouTube channel. How do I make this look pretty? So when you go to YouTube and somebody like finds your video, so you can come up here on the right, click your name, go to your channel. You can see what people see. So this is essentially what people would end up seeing. I can come to customize channel and really see what they see. Up here, I don't have anything pretty. I can scroll down. I can feature something here. And I'll show you my other page in a second so you can kind of see what that looks like. So just so you can compare the two. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so if this is my other account and we come to my channel, this is what people see. So they see a picture, an image with information, and then I have a video that I'm sending people to. That's my most commonly watched video. And then I have different things down here, and I'm just starting. So I'm going to basically categorize all these videos and put them into these series down here. So I'm going to walk you through basically how I make this pretty, make some channel art, choose a video. So I'm just going to go through that in a second. And then how I added basically this down here. So I have this uploads one. You can have up to 10 different things here. But if you look on this one, all I have is uploads. But on this one, I just added this YouTube one. So I'm going to kind of walk you through that. So to start, I'll come back and do another one on this. But if we do this feature content, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Basically what I can do is choose a video that people up, and it's going to connect between my two different ones. So it's mad that I switched accounts. So let me go back. Sorry, guys. So we're just going to backtrack a tiny bit. All right. So let's go ahead and go customize channel up here. And then we're going to add feature content. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And I'm going to choose something that people seem to watch. So for me, I'm going to go with this one's been pretty new. I just put it up yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's already got 10 views. So I'm going to go with that one. So I'm going to click that. Click save. I can add a heading if I want. I'm okay with this right now. And then click save and done. And now that video is going to be the first thing when people come to my channel, they'll see that there. And you can always change this. So if you have new content that you want to put there or things like that. Then what we're going to do is figure out how can we add these things. So this is a playlist. So what we're going to do is come up here to playlist. And then we're going to get new playlist. So I'm going to create this one called social media. And then I'm going to go ahead and click create. And I want that to be public. My bad, sorry. So I want this to be public. You can change it here if you need to, but I want it so that people can see it. Now this has nothing in it. So I'm going to come to this little 3 dots right here, and I'm going to go to add videos. So now what we're going to do is find videos. So I want to add things from mine. So I'm going to go your YouTube videos, click that. And now I'm going to just find which things that I actually want people to be related to whatever I just did. So let's see, social media might be, I'll do video editing at its own thing. But like for instance, this one, that is a good one. How to load Facebook, Facebook and Instagram, how to schedule on Facebook, social media management. So those are some ones that I would do. At the bottom, I'll go ahead and click add video. And then it's going to go ahead and populate into here. So the other cool thing you can do is click this little guy and go to playlist settings. Add videos, so you can make the add videos here if you want. I'm going to go to advanced settings. And then what I'm going to do is come over here to auto add. And I'm going to add a rule that if I put a tag in when I upload a video, and I put a tag that says social media, that it's going to add it into here. So I'm going to click save. And now if that happens, you've created it. Would you like to add existing? I'm okay. Here's what I just created. I'm going to click done. So now anytime I add a tag that has that, it's going to automatically come into here. I like the add new videos on top of playlist, which I unchecked on the previous screen. So I'm going to click that, and then collaborate. You can do this if you want. I didn't do that. And then we're going to go ahead and click save. Done. I don't know why it's continuously asking me, but okay. Then I'm going to come up here and click share. So now I got share. I'm going to take this link and I'm going to copy it. And then what we're going to do is go back to our channel. Okay, we're going to come up here to my channel on the left. And then what we're going to do is we want to add that down here. So to do that, what we are going to do is come up to customize channel. And then we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to have this add section right here. If you don't have that add section, you're going to go ahead and come up here to this little lock. And you're going to say customize the layout of your channel and make sure that this is on, and then save. And that will make sure that you have this down here to add a section. So we're going to come here. We're going to go to single playlist, horizontal row, enter playlist URL, and then we're going to copy or paste what we had. Then we're going to click done, and voila. So now I have some things down here, and it just makes my thing look a little bit more whole, but we also need to do this. So we've got this here and these down here. All right, hope that helps.